Sponsored by Jeans Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, the official dealership of Life in Alaska.
Back into the Fairbanks Evening News, Mike Schultz here for your weather, and I've got a friend. I don't know what the name is, but this is a photograph sent in by Nancy Hummel, and she quite appropriately described it as, "Are you looking at me?" What a beautiful photograph that is of a moose. And again, if you have a photograph to share, by all means, send it to me at MikeSchultz@KTVF11.com so we can share it with the rest of the audience. Right now at the airport, 10 degrees. Light snow continues to fall. We're not expecting this much, though. High of 14 today, low last night, 1 below. There's your record high and record low. Sunrise exactly 8 o'clock this morning. Sunset a little while ago at 6:10, giving us 10 hours, 11 minutes of daylight, a gain of 7 minutes from yesterday. Our latest radar is showing that the snow is still hanging around the Fairbanks area. A little bit of a circulation here, small area of low pressure, helping to keep that light snow moving. Not expecting a whole lot, maybe an inch, that's about it. On our satellite radar, you can see we're looking at, again, a good flow of moisture moving across the North Gulf Coast. There's our system right there, and the rest of over southeast Alaska looking at some rain and snow also. The rest of the state looks like this. As you can see, we're looking at cloudy skies over southeast Alaska, clouds around the Anchorage Bowl. Not too bad at Kodiak, partly cloudy skies there. Nice weather once again up and down the west coast part of the state. Over the North Slope, looking at a little light snow at Barrow, and Fort Yukon, cloudy skies and 3 degrees. Lower 48 weather, more rain moving across the Pacific Northwest. The rest of the country looking pretty good because the jet stream is very active right now, very strong. Taking a big dive and then pulling all that cold air down across the eastern half of the country. This pink is mainly just frozen precipitation, and the overall jet stream for next week, for the first part of next week, is showing that it's not quite nearly as abrupt as it was earlier, looking at still a west to east flow, but the cold air not diving down like it was expected to. Well, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Over the northern sections, cloudy skies for Barrow, mostly sunny skies at Nome, and snow showers in Fort Yukon. Over the interior, looking at pretty good weather, becoming partly cloudy at both Fairbanks and Healy by afternoon. Over southeast Alaska, can't get rid of that rain and snow in Juneau, and mainly rain for Ketchikan. To the southwest we go. We'll be looking at snow at Bethel, rain and snow in Cold Bay, and snow for Kodiak Island. And over the south central sections, again, cloudy skies in Anchorage, scattered clouds at Homer and Valdez. Well, we started the ice park earlier this week, and I've been talking with Dick Brickley throughout the week, and here he is once again to tell us what's happening tomorrow.
Tax your brain now. What special days do you have coming up on the weekends?
Well, we have Canned Food Day that will be coming up this coming Saturday, in which the people can get in for 4 cans of food and half price, or 8 cans of food, and we donate all of that to the food bank here in Fairbanks, and that's supported by the Fairbanks Daily Newsminer. We really appreciate that for them doing that, and we give all the donation all goes to the food bank here in Fairbanks.
And the weather should be good tomorrow for our Canned Food Day. Here's your real quick look at the winter trails around the Fairbanks area. Temperatures will warm, giving a great opportunity for all outdoor activities. Slopes will be great. Cross-country trails will be fast. And snow machiners, you should be in heaven. Here's your forecast for the remainder of the night. 3 degrees below zero, light snow slowly ending by morning, maybe an inch of accumulation. Tomorrow's forecast, 21 degrees, becoming partly cloudy by afternoon. And the extended forecast, again, looking very encouraging. Temperatures, again, looking around the 20-degree mark each day. A little bit cooler toward the first part of the week, but then rebounding nicely. And the next chance of any precipitation is not in the cards for the 5-day period, although we might possibly see something maybe Wednesday or Thursday.